American McLear is the early leader at the 57th staging of the Jamaica Open Golf Championship, entering day 2 at the Trial Golf Club in Hanover. More in this report.
McLear says he did everything right to be atop the leaderboard in the early stages, as he posted 5 under par 67 at the end of day 1.
It was good today. I played well. Did a lot of things right. Made some putts when I had to, and I hit it good as well. I'm a little sweaty right now. I'd love to jump in the water. But I managed the heat, when I could, drank a lot of water, and, ended up being all right.
Canadian Stephen Thomas is second, scoring 4 under par 68. Britain's Marcus Moore and American Ryan Sullivan are joined to third with scores of 3 under par 69.
Today, the wind was down and the conditions are wet, so you can be aggressive into the flags. I would have liked to have done a better job with how well I hit the ball off the tee, but, it's still, I'm in good position after day 1.
Trinidad's Benjamin Martin is the best-placed Caribbean player, joint 5th after posting 2 under par 70. Justin Burrows is the best-placed Jamaican, posting 1 under par 71 to be joint 8th.
Feel content about it. With golf, you could always feel like you could do better. I feel like I've left a few shots out there, but my game's in a good place.
Defending champion Andrew Arft is joint 11th after 2 double bogeys on the 16 and 17 holes to post 1 over par 73.
It was good. I got off to a nice start. Course was in good shape. I was playing well and made 2 bad swings, but overall it was a pretty solid round. Just try to do the same tomorrow with a couple less bad swings and we'll be off to the races.
Meanwhile, Jamaicans O'Shea Hay and Zandre Roy are joint amateur leaders, posting 2 over par 74.
Feel good, today was a little bit trying to get used to the conditions of the golf course out there. It was kind of difficult, but 2 over par today. I'm happy with that.
To me, it was a bit hectic today with the wind condition. You're not getting much ball flight because it's cold, and you have holes out there where normally if you have the wind, you'll get a bit of help with the wind.
Canadian Alan McLean is a senior professional men leader with a score of 2 under par 70. And Jamaican Owen Samuda leads the senior men amateur category with a score of 4 over par 76. Day 2 tees off at 8 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.